Welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're going to talk about let's get to know myths and facts about insurance. Broadly speaking, there are three types of insurance that are important to have to protect yourself from the various risks. The first is life insurance, which is a financial product that provides protection for the insured from the risk of death. The protection offered by life insurance is compensation that will be given to the beneficiary if the insured dies. The second insurance that is also important for us to have is health insurance. Health insurance is a financial product that provides protection to the insured regarding health. Protection covered by health insurance includes reimbursement of medical expenses, critical illness, disability benefits, and long-term care costs. The next insurance that is no less important is general insurance. General insurance is a financial product that provides protection for the insured from the risk of loss. General insurance is further divided into several types, namely property insurance, vehicle insurance, travel insurance, and many more. Given that each insurance has a different function, it is important for us to have each insurance according to the stages of life. In fact, the low penetration of insurance shows that public awareness of insurance is still influenced by a number of myths. So that you can manage financial risk well, recognize the following myths and facts about insurance. Myth number one: life insurance is only needed for husband. The fact is, life insurance is needed by anyone who is already earning and has family dependents. Thus, life insurance is needed by husbands, wives, and singles. Myth number two: expensive insurance premiums. The fact is, insurance is a financial product that provides protection according to the needs and financial capabilities of each individual. Everyone's need for insurance is different, depending on the stage of life and financial ability that he has. Ideally, everyone should set aside 10% of their monthly income for insurance premium. Myth number three: the insurance claim process is difficult. The fact is, currently several insurance companies offer an easier claim process through digital applications or through websites. You can also check the insurance company's track record in terms of claim payments before buying insurance. Myth number four: buying life insurance and general insurance is a loss because the premium will be lost if the risk doesn't occur. The fact is, the premiums that policyholders pay in life insurance are not lost. In life insurance, the policyholder pays a premium to get protection for his life. So when the insured dies, the insured family will receive the sum assured, which will help the financial burden of the family left behind. And so is general insurance. Myth number five: still young, don't really need insurance. The fact is, insurance is bought before the risk occurs. For example, a person can only have critical illness insurance if a critical illness has not been detected. A person can only buy fire insurance when the property has not been hit by a fire accident. When the risk has occurred, applying for insurance will be more difficult, expensive, and there are excluded clauses, or even the policy application is rejected. Myth number six: rarely sick, so no need for health insurance and critical illness insurance. The fact is, although we rarely get sick, we can't turn a blind eye to the fact that healthcare costs have the potential to affect a family financial condition, such as pushing us into debt. Health insurance and critical illness insurance aim to avoid huge medical expenses if you fall ill or become critically ill. Without having health insurance and critical illness insurance, a person can be trapped in debt or drain savings when facing the risk of illness. Myth number seven: there are hardly any fire happening, so no need for fire insurance. The fact is, fires can hit anywhere unexpectedly. If that happened, one could suffer enormous losses. Fire insurance will prevent the policyholder from losses that could cause him to go bankrupt in the event of a fire. Hopefully, now you understand more about the myths and facts about insurance. That way, you are more determined to protect yourself with insurance. Thank you.